start the tape. $500 minor. Let's go. Rolling tape. Feather Falls. Let's get a big one. We donated. Now it's time to make our big withdrawal. Let the jackpots fall at Feather Falls. Let the jackpots fall at Feather Falls. Let the jackpots fall at Feather Falls. One away from the Super Grand, which is.
Can you give us one more?
$60,750.
Give us one more.
Right here.
One more.
Pop it in there. Got the minor.
Beautiful.
Got some more losses. Cha-ching. Turbo mode. And we're still in the free spins. Number 11 of 18. We're going to get more free spins.
Yeah.
Tap it. Tap it. Money tap. Back to back. 2x on the 9. Scratch. We got 4 more spins. Come on, coin us.
For multipliers.
Oh, he's camera shy now. More money.
Do it. Yes.
There we go. Load it up. Come on.
Do that.
One more. 2 more.
Give us a mini. We'll take a mini.
8 more. 8 more. Keep them dropping.
It's not a mini.
There you go. 3 away. Now you're 3 away. Right there. Come on. Drop, pop, and lock. Drop, pop, and lock. Drop, pop, and lock. Pop, drop, and lock. Pop, drop, and lock. Pop, drop, and lock. Lucky strike. Lucky strike. Not bad. Let it rip. Turbo mode.
Adds up.
Yes, it does.